Hi there, my name is Peter, and in this video, we're going to walk through how to set up your omni-channel channels based on, on top of your customer service installation. So in the previous video, we set up the environment, and this is the environment URL that we're getting. So if you want to change this, you can do so in the settings, but let's click through. If you click it, you'll go to the Dynamics instance. And the first time you click it, it will try and present you with the app picker. So there's a bunch of tiles, and one of those tiles is the Copilot Service Admin Center, and the other one is the Customer Service Workspace or Copilot Service Workspace. Microsoft is in the middle of renaming stuff, but it is these two that are important for our contact center. In this video, we're going to do all of our work on the admin side. So we're clicking on the admin center tile. So once we're in here, you can see a few things that we can click on, right? We have obviously the navigation on the left side with all of the options on the admin center. We can start doing our guided channel setup, right? This will walk you through a little bit of a guided overview on how to set it up, or we can do it manually, and then we have some fine-grained control. That is what we are going to do. Right. So again, this is a very vanilla installation. We haven't done anything yet. This is the first time we're opening up this environment. And to get started, we're actually going to go to channels. So on the channel side, you'll find manage channels. If you set up the channels already, you'll find all of the individual lines where you can manage the individual channels. But in this case, I haven't set up anything. So manage channels is the only option I get. It takes a little while to load, but then you can see that we can actually set up all of these channels. So voice is obviously the thing that we need if we want to do telephony. Chat is the one for native chat. So that is the Microsoft Live chat, right? Or self-service chat with a Copilot bot. Social channels is if we want to do any interaction, for example, on WhatsApp or on Facebook Messenger or online or on WeChat. We got SMS. Again, that we can also now do through Azure Communication Service and not just through third parties like Twilio or Telesign, but Azure Communication Service is an option as well. And Microsoft Teams, we can connect to our internal parties. Every one of these channels take time to propagate. Before we can do anything else, this is what we should do, right? And it takes a little while for it to actually show, but then it starts to showcase all of the individual channels propagating. And mind, this will take you an hour, perhaps two, right? It depends on how busy it is, apparently. But this will take time, right? So do this early on when you're starting a project. Try to set up all of the channels that you need, right? I'm not saying set up all channels in case you need them, right? Set them up as you need them, or if you project to actually use them, set them up, let it run, press save, and just go and grab some coffee for an hour or so. And as you can see now, finally the screen starts to load, and you can now see all of the individual channels propagating. So it's the status is turning on. Unfortunately, there's not a percentage bar or a status bar or whatsoever. It just says wait. Again, this could take an hour, a few hours, right? So please be patient, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll try to actually set up channel by channel.